District Hub for Empowerment of Women DHEW, Katanat Rekam Jonga Social Welfare Southwest Khasi Hills District, Menta Kasi Kalayo and Rakhe Kasi Kyrpang, Jongi Khynnah Kynthei, Kabla Tipkum Ka International Girl Child Day, Arhaja Apusa Hapok Nativity Hall, Mawphor. Kibalawan manishim benta kani kasi Kyrpang, kilong nadu kishpotili ki school ringkat kinohikai, but kumjo kinong tray hapo jangka District Hub for Empowerment of Women DHEW Southwest Khasi Hills District, hakaba uba taryang District Social Welfare Officer Southwest Khasi Hills District, ulalong kumukongsan. Kiwede kipla jingphieng kilong uba pi walang District Child Protection Officer Southwest Khasi Hills District bat kakong ilawan shwa nong sit ka nong rai bapaw hapo Southwest Khasi Hills District kabla airu ka jingrai ka basngutanan hadin ka program kala danru ka jingsa mi ki khusnam nong jom ha ka jingyakop ro jingro kaba ka irika kharsim yong kalawan maningkong ka iwan suk marwen haka kerdan baal bat ka balatese shila haka kerdan balai haka slogan la job da ka ladyang hun wanyang baar u welbok shisha thongni bat balai u wan bok lang tongwa nangta haka jingyakop kren mukmak la job da ka palesha shila baar u comfortiness thongni bat balai u meba wan bet tongwa yaka jingyalang la penya da kokong ivari linkhoi District Mission Coordinator District Hub for Empowerment of Women DHEW Southwest Khasi Hills District bat jingkran kublei na uba valdo maulat Gender Specialist District Hub for Empowerment of Women Southwest Khasi Hills District.
Which is a global celebration for all girls, recognize their rights, and promote their empowerment. It conveys the need for action and hope, and the power of girls' voices and vision for the future. Firstly, being a daughter myself, I've been treated with special care at home and got the opportunity and everything that every son must have. And why I say this is because even from a young age, I love singing. And at the time, I don't really know the lyrics or the meaning of the song, but I just enjoyed singing. And as time passes by, through the support, love, and inspiration that I got from my family, I started participating in singing. That is, I started in church, then in school programs and other programs as well. And I even participated in Meghalaya's Got Talent, which was in the year 2016. And at that time, I was just 10 years old, and I didn't have much confidence, and I didn't really know how to face the crowd, or I didn't really know the challenges, to face the challenges. And although I faced many difficulties and made a lot of mistakes, I stayed positive and strong throughout the journey. And yes, I was selected as a finalist. And so I wish that every girl, just like me, will get equal care, respect, and opportunity at home or outside so that they can shine and be as beautiful as they are. And secondly, as a girl student, I feel indifferent as a girl.
Indonesia, kita nak nanti kita orang di sini, kita orang di isu sendiri. Kabar yang stereotip, dan kynthei mana jumlah anak kuat dari Indonesia, anak kynthei jumlah anak serius, jumlah anak baik terbaik. Kita nanti bahas tiba nanti tidak baik. Berarti kalau kita tidak baik, enggak baik. Betul. Jadi kena kita tidak benar motor baik. Kena kita tidak benar saja, tidak benar kali. Tidak benar itu dari tinggal pada saya sini di salam pilot. Tidak benar pilot. Betul dari sana lah benar pilot. Tidak benar pilot. Jadi kita pun doktor, pun engineer, naik dari profession doktor bila training kan doktor, kok bisa berani? Dari kau boleh tahu apa ini yang jadi kynthei di Indonesia. Dan kynthei yang kaji ke power mana, muscle power. Iklan ini kena sebenarnya kita kaji tahu boleh. Jadi harian kau berbunda kynthei bisa dan dari sini kau sibuk, sudah menunggu, udah berarguan, berlain dia, terarguan. Dan dalam penting dalam proses juga, dan kemudian di kynthei itu, dari badan kita sah dan jadi, bagilah, bagi anggota bandar yang menjadi tidak ada, bandar kita, berolah jadi kynthei. Dan nak tahu tak, jadi kynthei itu dia ada best education dari kita, dari ingin ada pun senang, kynthei ini ada juga, nampak hanya berkuat piano, pada pun senang ada berpaham, itu kynthei pun juga ada berpaham, hanya berkuat piano, lalu bagi tangkir, ke semua bagian pada